What's up guys, it's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at FL Studio 21 beta version. So ImageLine released FL Studio 20.99 a while back, and this is the beta version for FL Studio 21. So there are two beta versions now, and I have the first one installed because I want to show you some things with the new FL Studio browser, and the browser is not working smoothly in the second beta version. So let's get right into this. So we have a new browser in FL Studio, and this is long overdue. The previous versions of FL Studio doesn't really have a good browser, and one of the big changes with this new browser is the search and the organization and categorization of things. So we can search for things like samples. Let's just search for riser, and we can see different risers from different locations pop up here. You can reduce the volume from here. You can see some information here, and this is really cool. So another thing we have is the tags. So we have some tags here, and let's see, let me just search for a plugin. I'm just going to search for a delay, and I see all the delays I have here, and I can just sort them out, and I can see all the VST3 delays I have. Another cool thing about this search is that you can search for plugin manufacturers. So if I'm just going to search for Isotope, for example, Isotope, this brings up all my Isotope plugins. And the cool thing about this is that it actually searches the manufacturer. It doesn't just search the name. Like some of these plugins don't have Isotope in their name, but it's able to identify that they are Isotope plugins. So let's search for waves, and boom, I bring up all my waves plugins, and this is a very good thing to have. So I'm just going to favorite this. That's one thing you can do. So I'm just going to add this to my favorite plugins, and I can click this tag here, and it pulls up plugins that have been added to my favorites. I can just also clear this, and I can see all the plugins I've added to my favorites. So this browser update is a big improvement, and this is one of the things I've requested for in the past, and I'm really happy that this is getting worked on. So another thing that I'll be expecting in FL Studio 21 is how you work with clips in the playlist. So from this update, we will be able to fade in and fade out clips from the playlist without going into the channel rack, and that's really cool. And we can see some of the images here that teases this feature, and this is something I've wanted a long time from FL Studio, and I'm very happy to be getting this now. So this is a very good thing. So some other things we'll be expecting are new themes, and we can see the midnight theme here, and this looks very good. So we won't just have the default theme. We should have multiple themes in the new FL Studio 21. So ImageLine are also working on new plugins, and one of the plugins that is already out is the multiband delay. So this is a multiband delay, and I've tried this out with this beta 2 version, and this is a really good multiband delay. So we should be expecting many more plugins, but this is the one that has been released with the new beta version. So these are some of the things we'll be expecting in FL Studio 21, and I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what's coming. I'm very happy with the new browser update, and I'm also happy with what I can see from the way we'll be working with playlist clips now, and this is all very exciting. I can't wait to see what ImageLine are going to do with FL Studio 21, and I can't wait for FL Studio 21 to be out. Yeah, so that'll be all for today, guys. Let me know what you think of some of the features we've talked about here, and let me know some of the features you want to see in FL Studio 21. And yeah, log into the forums and grab this beta version and play around with this. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.